Not messy in the sink.
Yeah, I know. Just quick video because we are ready to go. Mommy finished this one. Oh God. Take it out. Just brush your tongue. So no phlegm. Yan. And very good. Then wash your face.
Oh God, it's so cold.
You can use, I know. But you need to wash because you go to school.
But I won't wash
You
it
don't
cold.
have a gas. Go.
No, I don't want that.
Yes, do it for your face. Come on. Jack, hurry up because we're going.
Mommy.
You'll be late. Maybe mommy, open your.
Now I wipe it.
Not too much because it's too strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, go. Hurry up. Not in your eyes, huh?
Okay.
Only in your face. In your head, forehead. Yan. Put some water so it's bubbles.
Okay.
Hey, Ethan. Hello. Are you watching Kuya Jack?
Tell me when I'm done, okay?
More? You don't need shower because the shower are cold. No
Yeah,
gas.
because we don't have any gas.
Yes. I think
We can't cook tonight.
Mommy needs to turn the gas into the other one. Our gas bottle is empty.
Any more?
More, hurry up. Done. Okay. Okay. Next, what you do?
Get out, towel.
North of Brisbane. Let's go live
Okay.
to Georgie Chumley. Georgie, the Bruce Highway has been cut off and closed,
Change your
causing
clothes.
serious delays.
Get out your blanket in there. Take it out.
I wanted to lie down because I was cold.
Looks like we have an issue.
Still
with
tired.
Georgie there. We'll come back to Georgie and that story in a moment.